Blueberry banana granola. What's up, everyone? It's Sean Hill with Lifestyle Healthy Living, and this breakfast or snack is one of my favorites. Blueberry banana granola and the granola grains and oats consist of buckwheat, millet, amaranth, and quinoa. Quick note at Lifestyle Healthy Living. Our main focus is plant-based nutrition to keep our immune system strong and remain mentally and physically healthy to enjoy longevity and a better quality of life. As I mentioned, this is a gluten-free granola, half of a cup. I also have a banana, half a cup of blueberries, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, half a cup of almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Let's put this great tasting breakfast together. I start with half of the banana, but note, you can just put every ingredient in the bowl as you want. But for the sake of this presentation, I want it to look great for you. Now let's layer all the rest of the ingredients. The granola, blueberries, pumpkin seeds, then the other half of the banana. Now, my final step is 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, grade A or B, and half of a cup of almond milk. And that's it. Please enjoy. Also, you can find more recipes like this in my book, The Fountain of Youth Lifestyle, on Amazon and Apple Books. Just visit lhlclub.com or the links in the description. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe. Thank you.